Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to pin comments on TikTok. Now firstly, you need to open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Now once you're in your profile, open the video that you have posted. Now go to the comments in the video. In my particular case, I don't have any comments in my video, so I'm going to post a comment myself. I'm typing great. Now in order to pin a comment, just tap on the comment and hold on it. There is a little catch here. There have to be a pin comment option here, but we don't see it. So we have to report this problem to TikTok. Now go back to your profile and tap on the menu. Now open settings. Scroll down and select on report a problem. From here you can report this problem to TikTok and they will resolve it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.